Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the network problems on this device. Simply go to settings and here you can see the option general. Tap on this one. Scroll to bottom. Here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this one. Now here you can see the option reset. Tap on this one. So here you can see some reset options, and from the list of options you have to select the second one, reset network settings. Tap on this one. Enter your screen passcode. Now you can see a pop-up box. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. Now confirm this with the reset network settings. Okay. Now you can see this device is turning off. Now after this one, just restart your device. Okay, actually this reset settings is safe. This will not delete any of your personal information. This will reset only the network settings. So if you are facing any network related problems, you can easily do this reset. So simply in this way we can fix the network problems on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.